Now let's move on to a few more sums based on section formula. Okay, these are the 3 and 4 mark sums. Okay, these are the bigger sums. So let's start. Okay, we're going to do example 4 on page 140. Find the coordinates of the point of trisection of a segment joining the points A and B. Now, what is the meaning of trisection? Means 3 equal parts. Okay. Now, जैसे मैंने आप लोगों को बोला था, I had given you that log का example. तो जब वो log को break करते हैं हम लोग, तो 3 separate parts होते हैं या 2 separate, और हर एक part को एक unit कहा जाता है, या तो it is one part. Okay. So similarly, let's see over here now. Find the coordinates. अभी let's see what have they said is, or what do we know is that suppose this is AB. This is your segment AB. It is divided into 3 equal halves. Okay, 3 equal. See, this is equal to this. This is equal to this. इसका मतलब होता है trisection. Okay, they have given you A. A is suppose A is 2 minus 2 and B is minus 7 comma 4. Okay, and let's see. So now we'll tell, let P and Q be the points of trisection of a segment joining the points A and B. Point P and Q divide the line segment into 3 parts. Okay, so let this be point P and let this be point Q. They divide into equal parts. Okay, now all that statement and all that you can see here, that you all have to write on your own. Okay, I don't have that much time to write, so I'm going to skip some steps, but please do all the steps. Okay, now let's see. Now the first step, abhi we have to find coordinates of P also, you have to find the coordinates of Q also. Moreover, they have not given us the ratio. P के coordinates find करने हैं, Q के coordinates find करने हैं, और ratio भी दिया नहीं गया है, M और N भी नहीं है, तो M और N कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? देखो, आई हैड टोल्ड यू, अगर आप इसको एक लॉग कंसिडर करते हो और इधर से हम लोगों ने इसको काट दिया, ठीक है, तो दिस इज 1 पार्ट एंड दिस इज 2 पार्ट्स. ओके, सो ये आना चाहिए 1:2. कैन यू सी 1:2? ओके, ये पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करते हैं हम लोग, ठीक है. दिस इज सी 1 पार्ट 1 + 1 2. तो यूनिट्स या पार्ट्स के हिसाब से हम लोग रेशियो बनाते हैं. सेक्शन कैसे, मतलब एक लाइन को तोड़ा कैसे गया है, ठीक है. तो लेट्स सी ओवर हियर हाउ वी विल डू इट. तो पहले हम लोग m देखेंगे कि m/n कैसे फाइंड करें, और वील सी हाउ टू फाइंड m/n एंड देन वी विल यूज इट टू डू फॉर आवरसेल्व्स. ओके, सो फर्स्ट, this is your original figure. I will be excluding something according to my working. Okay, so now I will only say consider the first statement. All that you have to write, let P and Q be the midpoint. Okay, all that you have to write. Consider. Now I will only consider. See now what is the thing. A, I'll do 2 comma minus 2. I'll consider it as x1 y1. I always told you, stick to your basics, stick to your formulae. X2 y2, and suppose this is P. Let me take it as x comma y. Okay, now I have to find this also. I have to find m/n. Let's see what do we get. Now in order to find m/n, पहले वो देखते हैं, and this is the first step of your entire sum. This is your example 4 on page number 114. Okay, page 114. Okay, so let's do this sum now. तो डायरेक्टली ना फर्स्ट m/n फाइंड करना है. m/n कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? एज आई टोल्ड यू. नाउ व्हाट डू वी वांट? वी वांट द रेशियो ऑफ AP अपॉन PB. नाउ गो टू द ओरिजिनल फिगर. AP अपॉन PB is nothing but AP is AP only, but PB is nothing but PQ plus QB. PQ plus QB. We know that AP is equals to PQ is equals to QB. We know that is given. Okay, because they are saying trisection, right? Therefore, that is AP is equals to AP plus AP. Because all are equal, so I can write AP only. ठीक है, आप सब जगह PQ भी लिखो तो no problem. Okay, no problem ऐसे AP upon 2AP. AP gets cancelled, so 1 upon 2. So your ratio AP upon PB is 1 upon 2. So it is 1:2. Now directly apply the formula for getting the coordinates of P. X is equals to, I'm going to write the formula. For me, writing the formula, doing everything is very important. Okay, this is how you have to solve it. The teacher also likes it. आपका examiner को भी पसंद आएगा. Okay. So, but during the corona time, if you are solving it, do it quick. Okay, you can do it shortcut method also. Okay, so because all your tests are MCQ based now, so you all can do it faster. But if you do it for your board exams, if you do all the steps, in case we come to a point where we'll have to write your board exams. Otherwise, you all can do it as you want. Steps are not required. Okay, but practice के लिए initially formulas देखो तो याद हो जाते हैं. X is equals to, so let's continue. mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. So therefore that is equal to, what is m? X we don't know. M is 1 into x2 minus 7 plus n into x1 upon 1 plus 2. Therefore that is equals to minus 7 plus 4 upon 3. Therefore that is equals to minus 3 upon 3. Therefore x is equals to 1 minus 1. Okay. Similarly, y is equals to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Therefore that is equal to, m is 1 into 4 plus 2 into y1 is minus 2 upon 1 plus 2. Therefore that is equals to 4 1s are 4 minus 4 upon 3. That is equals to 0 upon 3. Therefore y is equals to 0. Therefore coordinates of point P are minus 1, 0. Okay, so this is your first step. Let's continue with your second step. Okay, now in this second step, okay, so now we found the coordinates for P. Let's find the coordinates for Q in the same way. अभी Q के लिए P नहीं लेंगे हम लोग. We going to take A. Okay, so as I told you, this is your original figure, but for my sake, I will change it. Okay, consider, and it's okay as long as you are getting the answer, as long as you're showing it. A is 2, minus 2, x1, y1. Then Q is somewhere over here. Yes, it's not here. Q, let's take it as x, y. And B is minus 7, 4. Let's take it as x2, y2. Okay. Now, let's continue doing our sum. Okay. Similarly, now as I told you, I know AP upon PB. I don't know AQ upon QB. So, AQ upon QB. Let's see AQ upon QB. AQ upon QB. QB is the one only. So, AQ is nothing but AP plus PQ. AP plus PQ upon QB. You can say it as QB plus QB upon QB. See, I told you all are equal, so you take AP subject, whatever it is, it's the same thing. So 2QB upon QB, that is 2 upon 1. So here m is to n is equals to 2 is to 1. Okay. So here, this is how you get your ratio. So ratio aa gaya. Now, we'll do a sum. Okay, our sum is x is equals to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and y is my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Let's calculate. Therefore, that is equals to, let's do for x first. Means q के लिए करना है अभी, ठीक है? Though I have written x, but it is for q. Just understand that. M is what? 2 into x2 plus 1 into 2 upon 2 plus 1. Therefore, that is equal to minus 14 plus 2 upon 3. Okay. Next is, therefore minus 14 plus 2 upon 3 for Q. Let's see, correct it is. Next is, so that is minus 12 upon 3, therefore x is equals to minus 4. Now y, similarly we will do for y, therefore that is equals to ms 2 into y2 plus 1 into y1 upon 2 plus 1. That is equals to 4 is 8 minus 2 upon 3. Therefore, that is 6 upon 3. 3 1s are 3 2s are. Therefore, y is equals to 2. Therefore, coordinates of point Q are minus 4 comma 2. Okay, so this we are done with your example 4. Now we will be moving on to your sum number 10 of practice set. Okay, so we'll be moving on to your practice set. So find the coordinates of the point P, a point of trisection of the line segment AB. Now same thing, sum number 10 is also the same. Okay, it's exactly the same sum, there is no difference. Okay, so here only A and B ka value has been changed. A and B is there. Again they are saying trisection. Take it P and Q only. Once you do similarly with a particular letters, na, then it gets very easy for you. 2 comma 7 familiar ho jata hai. B is minus 4 comma minus 8. Let me check once. 2 7 minus 4 minus 8. Okay, so trisection. Okay, let P and Q be the midpoints. Okay, and also AP is equals to PQ is equals to QB. Okay, AP is equals to PQ is equals to QB. That is given. There AP is equals to PQ is equals to now. Okay, so first, as I told you, consider same thing we'll consider now. Last जैसे किया था previous sum में A, B, and I will consider P as of now. A is 2 comma 7. We will take it as x1, y1, 2 comma 7. Yeah. And B is minus 4 comma minus 8. That is x2, y2, and P is x comma y. Again, we don't know what is m is to n. So first we'll find m is to n. How do we find? AP upon PB. But AP upon PB is nothing but AP plus PQ upon QB. Therefore, AP upon AP plus AP, that is AP upon 2AP, that is 1 upon 2. So that is your particular sum. Okay, now let me see. So you know your ratio, your m is to n is 1 is to 2. Now we will find your x and y. X is equals to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Therefore, that is equals to m is 1. 1 into 2 plus 2 into minus 4 upon 1 plus 2. Therefore, that is equals to 2 minus 2 4s are 8. Therefore, that is equal to minus 6 upon 3. Therefore, x is equals to minus 2. Okay. Then, now, next, let's see. Okay. Let me see if it is correct. We are doing for 4, right? So, I don't know if it is correct. Let's see. 2 7 minus 4 8. I just want to check to be doubly sure. mx2. See, I've done a mistake now. n x2 1 into 2, that is 1 into minus 4 plus 2 into 2. See, that's why I said na, it's very important if we do correct. नहीं तो बहुत गड़बड़ हो जाता है. So it will be minus 4 plus 4 minus 4 plus 4. So your answer will be minus 4 plus 4 upon 3. So that will be 0 upon 3. That will be 0. Okay. So that's why you need to keep on checking. Okay. Sorry for that. So x is 0. Now just substitute the values correctly. Y is equals to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Therefore, that is equals to m is what? Let's see, m is 1, y2 is minus 8 plus, make sure this time 2, and y1 is 7 upon 1 plus 2. So, therefore, that is equals to minus 8 to 7s are 14 upon 3. Therefore, that is equal to 6 upon 3. 6 upon 3. Okay, plus minus minus 6 upon 3. Therefore, y is equals to 2. Therefore, coordinates of P is 0, 2. Okay, now Q के लिए करना है. Okay, we do the similar thing for Q. As I told her, same करना है, no difference. Try not writing in the margin. Margin में नहीं, इधर अंदर लिखा करो, ठीक है, क्योंकि इधर हम लोगों ने स्टॉप करना चाहिए लिखने का. ओके, बोर्ड एग्जाम्स में अलाउड नहीं होता है. ओके, सो ऑलवेज मेक अ स्मॉल मार्जिन ओवर हियर. आई विल आल्सो मेक नेक्स्ट टाइम सो दैट यू ऑल नो. ए बी एंड दिस टाइम वी आर गोइंग टू सी क्यू के लिए. ओके, सो ए इज अगेन 2, 7. बी इज minus 4, minus 8. x1, y1. This is x2, y2. X comma y, we do not know, m is to n. Okay, so it will be aq upon qb. So that is aq is nothing but ap plus pq. See, ap plus pq upon qb. That is qb plus qb upon qb. 2qb upon qb, that is 2 upon 1. Okay, so this is done for you. So you know the ratio is 2:1. This is done. Ratio ho gaya. Now come to the sum. Okay, sorry, you have to write by section formula. Okay, see here also please mention by section formula. Here also I forgot it, but please do not forget. Don't do silly mistakes like me. Okay, so x is equals to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Therefore, that is equals to m is 2, x2 is minus 4 plus n is 1 and x1 is 2 upon 2 plus 1. Therefore, that is equals to minus 6 plus 2 upon 3. Therefore, is that correct? Let me check. Okay, so again 2 4s is 8. This mistake, 2 4s 8. Okay, so therefore that will be minus 6 upon 3. Therefore x is equals to 3 1s 3 2s 3 1s 3 2s 6. Y will be equals to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Therefore, that is equals to m is 2, y1 is 7 plus n is 1. Sorry, let's see, my2, m minus 8 plus n, y1 is 7 upon 2 plus 1. Therefore, that is equals to 2 minus 16 plus 7 upon 3. That is nothing but minus 9 upon 3. Therefore, y is equals to minus 3. Okay, so therefore coordinates of point Q are minus 2, minus 3. So this is for your sum. So I think trisection is quite understood by you all. Okay, now let's move on to sum number 11. Similar sum. Okay, 1 minute, sorry for this delay. Okay, so we're going to move to sum number 11 as quickly as possible. Okay, so let's continue with 11 sum. It's a little bigger now. Okay, thoda sum is zyada, like bada sum hai ye bhi. Similar but very similar. Very nice sums, easy, not very difficult. Okay, 12th you're going to do on your own. Sum number 12 from the same practice set. That is practice set of 5.2 mein se. Okay, so if A is equals to minus 14 minus 10, B is equals to 6 comma minus 2 is given, find coordinates of the point which divides AB into 4 equal parts. अभी देखो इधर mention किया गया है 4 equal parts. Okay, so how will you all do it? 4 equal parts बोला गया है, तो हमको समझ आता है कि जो भी पार्ट्स में, जितने भी पार्ट्स में A डिवाइड होने वाला है, so AB is going to be divided, it will be divided into equal parts. So I will have 1, 2 and 3 points. Suppose this is P, Q and R. I have to find all the 3. Okay, A is given as, only A is given minus 14 comma minus 10 and B is given as 6 comma minus 2. Okay, you have to find all. So first what we'll do, we'll take AP plus AP upon PB to find P. Then we'll take AQ upon QB. Now that becomes, I think, this, we'll see what happens. So this upon this we will take. This becomes your midpoint. And R के लिए AR upon RB will take. Okay? ठीक है? Let's see. The first. Consider to आराम से होनी. Consider. Okay? AP upon PB. AP upon PB here is PB is PQ plus QR plus RB. That is AP upon AP plus AP plus AP. That is equals to AP upon 3AP. That is 1 upon 3. So your ratio is 1:3. So now we will consider only that. Okay, just ignore the rest for now. A is equals to minus 14 comma minus 10. That is nothing but x1 y1, and this is B. That is 6 comma minus 2. That is nothing but x2 y2. Okay, suppose P is somewhere here. Let's consider x comma y. Okay, M is to N. Here it is 1:3. Let's apply section formula. X is equals to, now I'm directly going to apply the formula. M x2 plus N x1 upon M plus N. Therefore, that is equals to 1 6 is 6 plus minus minus. Okay, plus minus minus. 3 4s are 12. 4 42 upon 3 plus 1 is 4. Therefore, that is equals to minus 36 upon 4. Therefore, x is equals to minus 9. Okay, okay. I hope you are getting this. Therefore, y, I'm doing directly. This is how you're supposed to do when you're doing for your tests now during Corona. Okay. Otherwise, you please write down the formula. Okay. Coming back, M y2 plus N y1 upon M plus N. That is minus 2 minus 30 upon 4. Therefore, that is equal to minus 32 upon 4. Therefore, y is equal to minus 8. Therefore, coordinates of P are minus 9 comma minus 8. So this is how you do for your one thing. Now, similarly, we'll do it for the second one. Okay, as I told you, consider karo jitna bhi hai utna, ignore the rest as of now because examiner knows you know what you're doing. Okay, consider. Now as I told you, A is minus 14 minus 10, don't mix it up. B is 6 comma minus 2. Okay, and let's see Q. Now see kids, if you can see Q now, it's lying in the middle because they've said 4 equal parts, so this becomes this. So it will be, so Q becomes midpoint. Okay, so here this is by section formula. Sorry, I'm forgetting to write. Okay, now this is by midpoint formula. We have to calculate Q directly by midpoint formula. Don't worry, okay? It is correct only. X is equals to x1 plus x2 minus 14 plus 6 upon 2. Therefore, that is equals to minus 8 upon 2. Therefore, x is equals to minus 4. Okay. Now, similarly, y is equals to minus 10 plus minus minus 2 upon 2. Therefore, that is equals to minus 12 upon 2. Therefore, y is equals to minus 6. Therefore, coordinates of Q are minus 4 comma minus 6. And last again, we come to section formula for this particular thing. After this is a very interesting and a lovely sum. I am very happy about that one. Okay. Now as I told you, consider. Now we want to do for R. So it will be A, B, take A as minus 14 comma minus 10. Nothing but x1, y1. This is 6 comma minus 2. That is nothing but x2, y2. And we have R over here somewhere, x comma y. M is to n also we do not know. So how we do AR upon RB? AR upon RB. AR is nothing but AP plus PQ plus QR. So can say AP plus PQ plus QR upon RB. That is nothing but AP plus AP plus AP upon AP. That is 3AP upon AP. That is 3 upon 1. Okay. So we know M is to N is 3 is to 1. So we find the value of X. X is equals to MX2. MX2 plus N x1 upon m plus n. Therefore, that is 3 6 are 18 minus 14 upon 4. Therefore, that is equals to 4 upon 4. Therefore, x is equals to 1. Similarly, y is equals to m y2 plus n y1 upon 3 plus 1. Therefore, that is equals to 3 2s are minus 6 plus minus 10 upon 4. Therefore, that is equals to minus 16 upon 4. Therefore, y is equals to minus 4. Okay, so therefore, coordinates of R are 1 comma minus 4. Okay, this video has gone a little long, but yes, let's take the last sum without further ado. Okay, because it's very similar, I will not want to leave it for anything else. Problem set 5, sum number 19. Okay, we're going to do problem set 5, sum number 19. Here they have given the line segment AB is divided into 5 congruent parts. So here what they are saying is a line segment AB is divided into 5 equal parts. So we'll just wait, okay. AB is divided into 5 equal parts such that P, Q, R and S are such that A dash, P dash, Q dash, R dash, S. Now all are equal. That we need to understand. Okay, so we have A dash, P dash, Q dash, R dash, S. All are equal. But now the problem comes, they have only given us, but if Q is equals to 12, 14, Q is equals to 12, 14 and S is equals to 4, 18, find the rest. What will you do in such? We don't have the section, you don't have, many things are unknown. But very, very important word is being used over here. That is congruent. Congruent parts. So forget everything else. Imagine this to be like this. Suppose it was only line QS. चलो let's imagine it only. अगर हम imagine ही कर रहे तो imagine ही करते हैं. ठीक है, कट ही कर देते हैं. ठीक है, मैंने बोला see if I know Q, ठीक है, and I know S. So I'll start with that only. Okay. I know Q and S. So I remove everything and I don't know R. Okay. Suppose I take X comma Y. And what are they telling? These two are equal. So it's easy now. You can see over here. You have to directly apply by midpoint formula. So easy it is. You can see over here. Since that keyword is that congruent, you should not get scared. Very easy sum. So without wasting much time, by midpoint formula, what do we do? This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Therefore x is given by x1 plus x2. Let's do 12 plus 4, 12 plus 4 upon 2. Therefore that is equals to 16 upon 2. Therefore x is equals to 8. 2 ones are 2, 8s are. Y is equals to 14 plus 18 upon 2, and this is 32 upon 2, 16s are. Y is equals to 16. Therefore, co of R are 8, 16. Now we are done with R. What do we do next now? R to ho gaya. Okay. R is done. Now, see, we know R, we know S. Now B. Again, same thing. Draw the figure first and then you decide whether you'll use midpoint formula or you'll use section formula. Okay. So, we have R over here which we found just now. That is nothing but 8, 16, which is x1, y1. Okay. We have S in the middle, which is 4, 18. Suppose this is x comma y, and we have B, that is x2 y2, because we do not know it, it's unknown for us. But they have said that this part is congruent. Again, by midpoint formula. Let's see, I'm writing like this. Please don't write like that. This is only for working, okay, because I don't have space over here, much space to work around with. You'll have enough space, you'll please do it. Okay, so I'll do the calculation here only. So x is x1 plus, so x is given, we have x is 4 is equals to 8 plus x2 upon 2. Okay, so 4 2s are 8 is equals to 8 plus x2. Therefore 8 minus 8 is equals to x2. Therefore x2 is equal to 0. Okay, so I hope you can see over here. Okay, here x and y are given because s is the midpoint over here. So y is over here 18 is equals to x1 is 16, y2 we do not know, upon 2. So 2 18s are 36 is equals to 16 plus y2. 36 minus 16 is equals to y2. Therefore, y2 is nothing but 10. Sorry, 20. Okay, 20. So, coordinates, I'll write here only, there is space. Coordinate of B is equals to 0, 20. I hope you are understanding. Okay, it's very easy. Third one, I was very excited about this sum. Third, now again, B is done, S we already know. Similar we apply for PQR. Okay, so PQR we do it over here. See, when you do it only you will understand. So Q, similar now, Q becomes your midpoint x comma y. R we have found to be 8 comma 16, that is nothing but your x2 comma y2. Then your P, which we do not know, is x1 comma y1. Keep it as it is. Let's apply midpoint formula for your P. Okay. So now for P, x is equals to x1 plus x2 upon 2. Q is given as, sorry, I forgot over here, 12 comma 14. Okay, so therefore 12 is equals to x plus 8 upon 2. 24 is equals to x plus 8. Therefore that is equals to 16 is equals to, sorry, x1. Just a little hurry because the video has become too long, so I want to cut it short. Y is equals to y1 plus y2 upon 2. Therefore, but y we already know, 14 is equals to y1 we don't know, y2 is 16 upon 2. Therefore 14 to 28 is equals to y1 plus 16. Therefore y1 is equals to 12. Therefore coordinates of P are 16 comma 12. And last one, last but not least, fourth one, you come directly on the left hand side, so we go. So S is also, so now P is also done, B is also done, last is left is A, which we will be doing 100%. Okay, similarly you can do, okay, A we don't know, x1, y1 we keep, P x comma y, that is nothing but 16 comma 12, and and we have Q, that is x2 y2, nothing but 12 comma 14. Okay, so after you do the sum, so we have 16 is equals to x1 plus x2 upon 2. Therefore 232 is equals to x plus 12. Therefore 32 minus 12 is equals to x. Therefore x is equals to 20. Similarly, now see, I'm directly putting the values, kids, please do not get confused. Y is equals to y1 we don't know plus y2 upon 2. Therefore 24 is equals to y1 plus 14. Therefore 24 minus 14 is equals to y1. Therefore, sorry, y1 is equals to 10. Therefore coordinates of A is equals to 20 comma 10. So this is how this 19th sum is done. So we are done with your practice set ka 19th sum also, means these type of sums are done. See you in the next part.